With its lightweight body, ceramic sole plate, and no temperature settings to fuss over, this iron is built for simplicity and performance. Tired of wrestling with wrinkles? It's time to step up your ironing game with the Eurosteam Step Up Iron for a clean, safe finish every time. And here's the real game changer: self-lifting technology. With powerful continuous steam and vertical or horizontal functionality, it smooths out everything from shirts and slacks to curtains and upholstery. No dials, no guesswork. From delicate silks to tough denim, this iron adjusts for you, safely and effortlessly. And when you're done, just put it down. The iron lifts itself smoothly with its self-lifting system. The Eurosteam Step Up Iron with self-lifting technology, only at redfern.com.